You feel say right for your parents, them a spend their hard-earned money and send youth them go to school and them a turn out to be bad man, gunman. Cause them parents will spend hundreds of thousands in a lawyer fee. You think that right?
No, sir. You prefer you go to school and do the right thing, is it? And not waste your parents' money.
Go to school, man. Taking the golden role, youth. See me? Low badness, bad man. Yeah, I from smoke with a chick and boom. I'm going to be a bag of crack. See me? Go to school, youth.
Definitely, remember say your parents them never born come see this, man. They have to do them best and have to work them best and the hardest receipt to come get it, so that you can go and get it. So just maintain that same headstrong, that same focus and conscious. You understand? You have to because what you see on social media, what you see on TV, say you have to get it and you have to get it quick and fast. No man, that's how it works.
Very simple. Talk it out, man. Because death is very easy, but life is very hard. You have to just understand the concept. Balance is key.
What caused them to do that?
What influence the youth them nowadays is like, when mother says a lot of things, mainly social media, be the cause of things. You understand? What me would say is like, just keep your head up straight. You understand? Just focus on putting the work, as hard work half it in if you want to get what you want. You get what I say?
A lot of friends influence them same way for going involved in a wrongdoing and all these things. One of the in thing nowadays, then say if you're not taking no points, it's like you don't recognize. Badness give you an early grave. Behave.